Ever wondered if you could source trendy products from around the world right from your laptop and ship them directly to your customers? Well, today, we're diving deep into a platform that promises just that, Spocket. So, is Spocket truly a global marketplace? Let's break it down. For those new to the e-commerce game, Spocket is a popular dropshipping platform that connects online sellers with suppliers worldwide. It offers a streamlined way to find and sell products without the hassle of inventory management. The global reach of Spocket. Now, the big question, does Spocket truly cater to a global audience? Diverse supplier network, Spocket boasts a network of suppliers from various countries. This means you can source products from the US, Europe, Asia, and more. International shipping. Many suppliers on Spocket offer international shipping, allowing you to reach customers in different regions. Currency and language support. While the platform's interface is primarily in English, it supports multiple currencies, making it easier for sellers from different countries to manage their finances. The reality check. While Spocket has a global reach, it's important to consider a few factors. Product availability. Not all products from a specific supplier might be available for shipping to every country. Shipping costs and times. International shipping can be more expensive and time-consuming than domestic shipping. Customs duties and taxes. Depending on the destination country, additional fees like customs duties and import taxes might apply. Tips for maximizing your global reach with Spocket. Research suppliers. Look for suppliers with a proven track record of international shipping and positive reviews. Check shipping options. Before selecting a product, ensure it's available for shipping to your target market and the estimated delivery time. Factor in additional costs. Consider customs duties, import taxes, and potential shipping delays when pricing your products. Communicate with suppliers. If you have specific shipping requirements or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your suppliers directly. So, is Spocket worldwide? The answer is a resounding yes, but with caveats. While the platform offers a global marketplace, it's essential to do your research and carefully select products and suppliers to optimize your international shipping strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.